So when they continued asking him, he lifted up himself and said unto them, He that is without sin among you, let him first cast a stone at her. And again he stood down and wrote on the ground. And they which heard it, being convicted by their own conscience, went one by one, beginning at the eldest even unto the last. And Jesus was left alone, and the woman standing in the midst. When Jesus had lifted up himself and saw none but the woman, he said unto her, Woman, where are those thine accusers? Hath no man condemned thee? She said, No man, Lord. And Jesus said unto her, Neither do I condemn thee. Go and sin no more.
They brought me to the temple, to where Jesus was. They told him all my sin and what I'd done. According to the law, I deserve to die. I stood in judgment day before God's Son. His enemies demanded to see justice done. He left and simply wrote upon the side. And while he stood to speak, I trembled in my soul, and read his words he answered every man. He that is without sin cast the first stone. Then one by one I watched them walk away. He said, I do not condemn thee. Go and sin no more. And I have lived a new life since that day. He did not cast a stone. He did not let him down. The justice of his love was all he would demand. I deserve to die for all that I have done. Oh, praise his name, he did not cast a stone. Oh, well, since the day my Savior set me free, my life has been for him and him alone. He was the only one without sin on that day, but he chose not to cast a stone. He did